Okay, here I have a white powder. What's the formula for this white powder?
ZnO.
ZnO, right? When you have two letters for a chemical symbol, the first letter is always capital. The second letter will be small case. So capital Z, small n refers to what? What metal?
Zinc.
Zinc, yeah. So ZnO is zinc oxide. Okay? Zinc oxide. I'm going to put this zinc oxide into this test tube. Right? And we think or we know that when there is a chemical reaction, there is a change in color. So let's see whether there is a chemical reaction when I heat this. Let me heat this. Right. Alright. Okay, cannot be strong. That's very strong. Let's heat this. Can you see if I heat it strongly? Most compound, when you heat them, they thermally decompose. So it's called thermal decomposition. And when they decompose, they change color. But this one, zinc oxide, I'm heating it and it changed to yellow. It changed to yellow, right? Can you see? It changes to yellow. So when it changes to yellow, you may think that there is a reaction. Can you see now it's yellow? Right? It's yellow. And let's make it more yellow. The hotter it is, the more yellow it will become. Okay? So this is a change of color, but it is not a reaction. Why is it not a reaction? We shall see. Alright. We now let it cool. So we let it cool and see. And can you see when it cools? It changed back to white. Can you see it's slowly changing back to white? Bring your tablet a little bit nearer. Can you see it's changing to white? Yeah? So that itself is not a reaction. So a change of color often is related to thermal decomposition, is a reaction for most changes of color, but in this particular case, a change of color is not a reaction, which means that zinc oxide is yellow when it's hot, and when it returns to room temperature, it is white, like that. Okay? And zinc oxide is in the transition metal group of metal called transition metal, and transition metal has got colors, and zinc oxide is lumped with the color compound because of this change of color and nothing else. But most zinc compound, if they are soluble in water, they will give a colorless solution. Like zinc nitrate will give a colorless solution. Okay, but in this case, it is established that zinc oxide, the zinc is a transition metal because of this change of color due to heat. Okay, good. Stop.